Hi guys, in this video we are going to work with factorization, trinomials, MIP 1502. If you can take a look at May-June 2022, question 2, there was this question requires students to know how to factorize, right? So first thing first, we are given x squared plus 8x plus 15 in this case. So we need to find the factors of x squared. The factors of x squared is x multiplied by x, not x plus 2x. Mind you, x times x gives you x squared. X plus x gives you 2x, right? So since it's a trinomial, we'll have two brackets. So we are going to put x and x there. So our middle term there, our last term, which is our constant, it's 15. In order to find how will be the factors be, we need to find the factors of 15 in this case. What are the factors of 15 that makes 8? That's gonna be 5 and 3. So when you say 5 plus 3, we are going to get 8. And since the whole expression has positive, your brackets will have positive signs. Even here, we are going to place positive. Even here, we are going to place positive. Both signs will be the same because the coefficient of 15 is positive. Both signs will be the same because the coefficient of 15 is positive. That's the case. That's why I put plus and plus. So here it will be 5 as well as 3 in this case. Okay, we are done with the first one. Let's go to the second one. The sign, since the last term or the third term here, it's minus 15. The signs will be opposite because the coefficient of 15 is a negative. The signs will be opposite because the coefficient of 15 is a negative, meaning that the larger factor will get a plus. So what are the factors of x squared? Let's go. It's going to be x multiplied by x. Factors of 15, that's going to be 5 and 3. So let's put this into practice. So we have x as well as x. So we have plus 5. So remember I told you that the larger factor will get a plus sign. So it's going to be plus 5 as well as minus 3. So 5 minus 3, that's 2. And 5 times negative 3, that's negative 15. Okay, this is 100% correct. Okay, so let's go to the third expression that we need to factorize. We're given 3x squared plus 10x plus 8. So by the look of things, guys, if we can look at the factors of x squared, of 3x squared is 3x and x. Factors of 8, that's going to be 1 and 8. Let's try and see whether they will give us 10. 3x times 8, it's going to be 24x. And 1 times x is going to be x. So when we add them, they don't give us the middle term. So what do we do? Let's swap them then. When we swap, we have 8 and 1 here. 3x times 1, that's going to be 3x. 8 times x, that's going to be 8x. So but 8 plus 3, it's not 10. It's going to be 11. So they are not working, right? So but what we should do now, this is the easiest way of doing this. You could say 3x squared, group this into proportional parts. You're going to say 3x squared, what parts that makes 10x? The parts that make 10x is going to be 4x plus 6x. Then we add by 8. So we are going to group now. We have 3x squared and 4x. We also have 6x and 6x plus 8. So what is the highest common factor here? The highest common factor is x. So we are left with 3x because when you say x multiplied by 3x, you get 3x squared. To get to 4x, you need 4. So we need also the factors of the highest common factor here that will get into this expression. Definitely, I'm thinking of 2. Let's try 2. When we place 2 here as the highest common factor, we'll place 3x here. 2 times 3x is going to be 6x. To get to 8, we need 4. Therefore, it works. So that in this case, that means 2 is the highest common factor. So we have common bracket. We're only going to take one common bracket. So we're going to say 3x plus 4 as well as x plus 2. So this is how our solution, this is the solution in this case. This is how you're going to get number 3. It was a little bit tedious, but with practice, you can win. On our next video, we are going to work with finding the gradient. Finding the gradient, as this week we are going to work with functions. Step by step, guys. Let's take it step by step. Let's not rush because we will crash, but let's practice and practice, because practice makes it perfect. Practice makes it perfect. You can get a distinction in MIP 1502. You just have to believe in yourself and consistency. I wish you all the best in your upcoming exams. May you succeed. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. You only subscribe once, and share the link with others. And remember, we love you.